Diamond's gelling sachets with Activeone odor control are designed for people living with an ileostomy or have liquid stool output. Diamond's sachets may help prevent leakage and sleep disruptions caused by the need to drain contents or release gas from the pouch. Let's get started by removing a sachet from the jar. To use, do not tear open the sachet. Place the entire sachet into the pouch through the wafer hole, the flange opening, or through the drainable pouch outlet. Close your pouch as normal. When it is time to empty or dispose of pouch contents, you can empty or dispose of contents as normal. Note: output may appear darker than usual and/or may contain black flecks as a result of the Activeone odor control system. If you are currently monitoring output color, temporarily discontinue use of Diamond's products. Diamond's gelling sachets are available for purchase now at StomaBags.com. To find out more, or if you have more questions, call 1-800-422-8811 to speak with one of our Me Plus specialists, or you can visit Convatec.com.